Every day, a person in sensible shoes walks past your dog, defies the weather, and delivers other people's secrets in little paper rectangles. Here are 8 idioms from the mail. Number 1, the check is in the mail. The oldest promise in commerce. The check exists, allegedly. It is traveling, allegedly. The check is in the mail is the classic stalling excuse. Number 2, signed, sealed, delivered. Ink on the line, wax on the flap, envelope in the right hands. Signed, sealed, delivered means completely, officially, satisfyingly done. Number 3, going postal. The route was long. The dogs were many. The paperwork tripled. Going postal means snapping loudly under pressure that built for years. Number 4, push the envelope. Test pilots use the word envelope for a plane's outer limits. Pushing the envelope means testing how far the limits will bend before they object. Number 5, return to sender. Wrong address, refused. Nobody here by that name. Return to sender means rejected and shipped straight back where it came from. Number 6, mail it in. You could deliver your best work in person, or you could stuff it in an envelope and hope. Mailing it in means minimal effort from maximum distance. Number 7, a dead letter. Some letters can never be delivered, so they pile up in a forgotten room. A dead letter is a rule still on the books that nobody enforces anymore. Number 8, neither snow nor rain. Nor heat nor gloom of night. The unofficial motto, the mail goes through no matter what. It means nothing stops the appointed rounds. And that is 8 idioms from the mail. This video is signed, sealed, and delivered. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.